Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video you're going to see BCA degree examination third semester question paper. So in the total marks is for 75 marks and 3 hours is the exam time. In part A, 8 questions will be asked and you need to answer any 5 out of them. And in part B, from 5 lessons, 2 questions will be asked as a choice and you need to select one out of it and you need to answer, and each question carries 10 marks. Look at the questions carefully so it will be useful for your coming exams. First question is, what are consonants? Mention the consonants supported by Java. List the logical and relational operators available in Java. Explain each of them. Third question, what are the decision-making statements available in Java? Describe. What are wrapper classes in Java? Explain. Fifth question, how does polymorphism promote extensibility? Explain with example. Next question is, what are the similarities between interfaces and classes? Moving on. Describe the complete life cycle of a thread. What are the methods available in the character streams? Discuss. Now let's see part B questions. Ninth question. Give overview of Java language and write the sample Java program structure, or explain bitwise operators available in Java. Write the significance of Java virtual machine. From Unit 2, explain nested if-else statements with examples. List the differences between switch and if statements in Java along with its syntax, or write a detailed note on label loops in Java. What is a constructor in Java? What are its special properties? 11th question from third unit. When do we declare a method or class final and abstract in Java? What is an array? How do you declare arrays in Java? Give examples. Or how to design and implement an interface in Java? Explain with example. Give an example where interface can be used to support multiple inheritance. From Unit 4, what is an exception? How is an exception handled in Java? Discuss. Write a Java program to illustrate the application of multiple cat statements, or what is the importance of thread synchronization and multi-threading? Explain. How do we set priorities for threads? Discuss. So this is how the question paper. Moving on to the 13th last question. What is the difference between init and start methods in applet? Explain about the Java API packages, or what is an applet? Explain the life cycle of an applet with neat sketch. Explain how to create and access packages in Java. So this is how the paper was given. I hope this is helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want any answers for these questions, do comment in the comment section. I will review and give the answers. Thank you so much.